这个直的，直的，
Have we started?
Let's go.
Hi, welcome to the Nice Fridge Clinic. We are doing a combination treatment of Ellanse and Silhouette Soft on Katherine. She's already very pretty, but we just make her look even younger with Ellanse and Silhouette Soft. So right now I'm just marking out the locations to place the Silhouette Soft sutures.
Hi, Ming-Xue.
哇，你 Bigo style 了，嗨，明雪。
Yeah, hi, Shi-Hui.
Who's that?
Ming-Xue is on live now, watching us.
Serious?
Yeah, wave.
Hi.
And Shi-Hui and is it 1405?
我拍是什么？
Now mark out the outside. What's so funny?
Dr. Wong, Gareth, say hi.
What? Who's Gareth? Hi, Gareth. Is it our nice bridge, Gareth?
I think so.
Oh.
讲什么人事？你在讲台语。
Oh. Very distracted.
因为他这个，
已经很多人讲哎。
好，因为那些like Bigo style。
He said, yes, this is Gareth from
Nice
Breakfast Clinic.
Hi, Gareth. We missed you.
It's time to make your next appointment.
Oh, there's a lot of people on Instagram now and Facebook.
Lunchtime now what?
Oh.
Yeah, let's go.
So Silhouette Soft is the
I think we lock the door in case
Lock the door,
这样
please,
冲进来哦
Okay.
，spoil the So Silhouette Soft is.
Hi, Christine. Thank you for logging in. Say hi, Christine.
Hi Christine.
Yay! Gareth coming on Thursday 10 a.m.
Explain 一下那个 Silhouette Soft 哦。
yeah. So basically, Silhouette Soft is the latest. It's the American FDA approved thread lift using combs instead of using the normal Korean barbs. It has been proven to have 360 degrees of suspension and tightening effect, and it gives an instant lift that is very subtle and yet obvious to yourself and to your close friends. So you look refreshed but not fake. And it stimulates, the best thing is it lifts now and it stimulates collagen in the next 3 months. So it's perfect for ladies above 30 years old or even 35 years old. That's when our collagen production actually is diminished, and our collagen loss is so much more than our collagen production. And we start to have saggy face, loose skin and loose tissues. So I'm going to put in Ellanse first for this combination treatment, because Ellanse also is, as you know, Shang Yuzhen is the latest collagen stimulator treatment, and it's been proven to be able to reverse the signs of aging on our face. For example, for Katherine's, she has lost of volume in the cheeks and her cheekbones, and also at the smile line area. Yeah, she smiles too much. So we're going to put some fillers, Ellanse here. So it gives the instant lift, and after that it will give you a sustained lifting effect by the collagen production from your own skin. So it is not some external source of collagen, it's not some external source of filler, but it produces your own skin, own collagen. Okay, so I'll be starting the treatment now.
The question is, how long does it last, Dr. Wong? From Kerry?
Oh, okay. Ellanse itself can last between 2 to 4 years. There's 3 formulations. There's actually 4, S, M, L, E, but in Singapore we only have the M, the L, and the E. So the M lasts for 2 years, the L lasts for 3 years, and the E lasts for 4 years. Silhouette Soft, the American suture, the cone thread lift, it lasts for about 1.5 years to 2 years. So together they give a constant collagen stimulation for at least 2 to 3 years minimum. So I just need to line back against the headrest. So just cleansing your face with antiseptic solution. Yeah, it's very. I'm used to it. Creating the entry point to inject the Ellanse. So this is the syringe of Ellanse. You can see is a white color filler. And this is one of the most, it is the hottest product right now in the market. In Taiwan, in China, they are sort of out of stock. Everybody is trying to grab the stock in China especially. I just went there for a talk recently and I found a lot about how popular this is there.
Censorship? Nobody knows.
Okay.
Censorship.
Going on the cheekbones now to create a lift for the cheekbones. For Ellanse, it's important to inject it on the bone level itself, very deep for the best results. So Katherine will be experiencing a little bit of discomfort.
So how long is the downtime?
Actually, there's no real downtime because it is a lunchtime procedure.
Okay.
And what you experience is maybe some swelling, but it's something similar to like water retention when you wake up, maybe during menses days and things like that.
So, like the day before, do we have to prep anything? No need, right?
The best is to stop all your supplements, vitamin, especially vitamin A, vitamin E, ginkgo, ginseng,
Oh no.
fish oil.
So this morning.
Oh, it's okay.
Also, actually have to stop now.
It's best. You can, since now you know about it, so just stop it now. Tomorrow onwards, just don't take them. Yeah.
For how many days? Weeks or what?
Just for about 5 days.
Is there a reason why you should stop though?
Because those supplements will increase the blood flow
Oh, okay.
to your skin, and it's good for your skin, but when we are doing procedures, it will result in more bruising and swelling
Oh,
in case if we accidentally actually have some bleeding and stuff. So
who on this song?
we go and change the song.
可是你 know that 我们有一个两个。
Your line. So I can use Ellanse to try to create a bit of like apple cheeks.
So what's apple cheeks?
Apple cheeks is that roundish look that you see a lot of Taiwanese ladies have when they smile. It gives a youthfulness and a look of kawaii, cute.
Okay, that's what we need.
Yeah.
Kawaii.
It's the 苹果肌, you know?
苹果肌, got it.
苹果肌.
Apple chicken.
So as you can see, Katherine's cheeks have lost quite a bit of collagen. I just put about 1 cc of Ellanse in.
And this is my virgin experience with fillers.
Wow, it's my honor. Juliet, pass me the needle in the box. Open one more, Ellanse. So now we're injecting the smile lines. Just relax. Ellanse. So you can take a look at my face already. If you can sit up a bit. Yeah. So can you see the difference between the two sides? You have a more volumized cheek and the raised cheekbones, and this depression here has reduced. So it gives you a more youthful look if you divide your face in two halves.
Here?
Yeah, more lifted, the cheeks, and then smile lines. You smile? As usual, when you smile, you can see the cheeks come out, and there's nothing here. I'll just do the elastic for the outside now. So I take the So how was it? Okay?
Okay. All right.
Still bearable, yeah?
Yeah. Okay, so we're nearer now.
So actually, Katherine, why haven't you thought of starting on some treatments before?
Just afraid of needles and also afraid of the fillers because it might weigh the skin down. But then this is different treatment because it kind of rejuvenate and also uses your own body's collagen, right?
Yeah,
So
correct.
that's why I decided that it's time for me to use this.
So you're not scared of needles now?
Still afraid. Looking at this, I'm still afraid.
Oh, serious? Okay.
Yeah.
But usually I'll tell my patients to think of the end result, looking youthful by 5 years. Yeah. Sorry.
Oh. Okay. Okay, deep breath, deep breath.
Yeah. Because Ellanse is a very high lifting power filler, so we actually need to place it deeper on the bone rather as compared to the hyaluronic acid fillers, which you can place it a bit more superficial. That may be why Katherine may be feeling a bit more discomfort. Of course, the results are longer lasting as compared to hyaluronic acid fillers. And also they give a much stronger lift. do a little massage to even out the cheeks. Make sure the filler sits nicely. And compare with the other side of the face to make sure that they are balanced. Just turn over here a bit.
Okay.
So I just need to put a little bit here, just a bit more. And we can go to the small lines and then we're done for Ellanse.
So, since I was young, I always have people telling me, oh, my face is, one side is higher. So this fillers will also help to adjust the cheekbones to make them look like they're level.
Yeah, correct.
Yep.
Basically,
So,
we need to we'll leave the one that is a bit lower. Yeah.
So for friends who've known me since I was young, they always tell me, Kat, your head is tilted one side. So with this, I would not have this problem anymore.
Yeah. Most of all, they will not be able to tell that you did something. That is that is what my patients always tell me, and they are very thankful for it, because even their husbands cannot notice what has gone on. They only know that they look a bit fresher and younger. And of course,
yep.
It's still a bit taboo for Singaporeans to tell their friends that they did this and that.
So this is just minor small changes,
Yeah,
and not the
small
real
changes,
big
yeah.
changes that people are looking for. This is very small
Yeah.
change. Yeah.
This is not plastic surgery, so if you're looking for big changes like face, bone shaving, nose jobs, chin jobs, this is not the one. But this for yourself to look younger and look like yourself, but just a few years younger. And with Ellanse and Silhouette Soft, you can actually look 5 to 10 years younger because of the collagen stimulation. Aging occurs because we lose our collagen after age 30 or so. So what this does is it restores your collagen. So just putting the final touches of Ellanse to Katherine's face, and then we move on to Silhouette Soft. So do stay tuned if you're interested to find out what Silhouette Soft is and how it's being done.
Okay, it's all right. It's not huge needle, so it's okay.
The huge one's coming soon.
Mm.
But it's just one shot here, right at the small line area.
Because as with age, we have smile lines, so this will reduce the appearance of smile lines. So get a massage on my face, you know.
It's also to fix the cheeks in the lifted look kind of position, fix the tissues.
Oh, I have a lot of Ellanse floating in my face.
You should feel very tight now, right? Do you feel a bit tight? Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially the cheeks.
Okay, so now we're gonna do the smile
The
lines.
last part, yeah.
Yeah.
Warning, big needle. So
Okay, the needle
if
is
you're
huge.
scared.
Okay, I better close my
Close your
eyes.
eyes, yeah.
Yeah.
just look downwards. Place your chin downwards. Okay. Turn over. Okay.
Okay, breathing time. Deep breath. Deep breath. Okay.
Because 你有
Why? Oh, 没有啊。
你 plug in back again，这样。OK， 看我这已经有电了。OK 啊。
So stop bleeding first.
Okay, stop bleeding first.
不行，我的你不要拍先。
No, it's okay. It's okay. Charge already. It's charging. It's okay. Mine is okay.
Yours
Mine
okay?
is, yeah. So if you have any questions, just come my way. Doctor is here. He can always answer the questions right now.
So Ellanse is a non-reversible treatment. You cannot dissolve it, so definitely it needs to be done in the professional, skilled hands.
And by the right people, yeah.
And by the right, even the professionals. There are some who use this product more than others. So it's a double-edged sword. So if you do it properly, it looks good for 2 to 4 years. But if there's any side effects, it may also be that long. So make sure that your doctor is highly skilled in this treatment.
Okay.
Okay, we'll stop bleeding. You just need a bit more though. Julia, open another needle for me. Number 27. Just one more needle. Sorry about that.
Okay.
Same spot.
Same
Let's close the
spot.
eyes. Yeah.
Close my eyes.
Very nice. You can see her small lines being removed by just one injection here and one injection here. Yeah. Of course, we always try to keep a bit of a small line left.
If not, I'll look so like
Otherwise, it
frozen.
looks so weird. Yeah, frozen. Okay, so now we go on to Silhouette Soft, as we've marked out the areas already. So for Silhouette Soft, it is there's 2 needles connected to the thread. So we'll go in from here, and then we'll slot one of the threads here and one up. And then from here, we will slot one side here and one side up. So the bottom thread anchors the tissues that we want to lift. And then the top thread is being attached to the thicker tissues here at the temples, which allows for a sustained lifting effect like this. Yeah. So basically, we need to hook the tissue, and then we need to secure the tissues to the temples. This is the theory of Silhouette Soft. Let me use some antiseptic and just cleanse it first. Make sure the area that we are going to be involved in is
Cleanse,
sterile. So as to prevent any chances of infection. Okay, on the other side. So far we have done many cases of Silhouette Soft, and there's a 0% chance of infection so far, because of good sterility and a fast placement of the sutures into the skin. Okay, so Julian, lower down the table. So we're going to lower down the table, the bed, and then we'll be doing it with Katherine lying down.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so someone needs to hold this for me.
Yeah. Carry it. Legs. Hey, the head's too low. Higher. Okay. So, Katherine, so sorry, we just inject a few more local anesthesia shots. It's a little painful, so just bear with it for a few seconds. So local anesthesia is the most painful part of this treatment. Actually, the placing of the sutures is much more comfortable than this. Anesthesia on the other side.
Ouch.
Sorry, it's not bad.
Okay. Okay.
So luckily this treatment lasts 1.5 years to 2 years, so you will not need to go through it again for next 2 years. And if you actually take care of your skin and sleep early, no late nights, can probably even last you longer. Do you have a lot of late nights, Katherine?
Quite so.
Quite so. Then it's amazing that you still look so good. Okay, so first time, right, doing this?
Yeah.
18G. So making the entry pool with 18G needle at the local anesthesia part, so you shouldn't feel much. Sixteen cones. So this is the 16 cone Silhouette Soft. There are 8 cones on each side. So altogether 16 cones, and we need to tighten it because it is hand woven, ensuring high quality control. And then when we tighten it, it activates the cones. So now I'll place it into the entry point I need. Slide it underneath the skin. Okay. Squeeze it back.